Avery Lockwood. I am in need of the money back. We fit, tack up our products before they get to the paint. Either I'm finishing what I had for me the day before, or I'm starting something new. Every day is different, but I do help out with other people if they have questions.
David Parker, and I'm the final assembler. Building a unit, basically putting the walls up, the roof, the header tank. Basically, we're the ones that put the machines together. They'll go through heavy fab, welding, and paint. And they come to us.
My name is Nick Long. I am the production and engineering manager here at Imperial Systems. My job is based off of trying to make sure that everything gets manufactured on time and delivered to the customer. Spending most of my time making sure that the tasks are being completed in a timely manner and we're on schedule for what we need to do. I am consistently looking at ways to make things faster, better, and safer, to lower costs and to make people's lives easier, to make things go through the shop faster. Balancing and making sure that you're not focusing on one spot too much. You need to make sure that everybody is getting the attention that they need. Every department is making sure that they're heard. Every department is getting the information that needs to be had for them.